Creek+Watershed Council was involved in, and the group that did the design has been evolving their approach, trying to learn adaptive management from what they've done before. So this reach was really trying to focus in bringing in some of the human elements of the habitat as well. So RDG, Restoration Design Group in the city of Albany got a bunch of money for the Coastal Conservancy to do the construction. And then the Codornices Creek+Watershed Council also got funds from the Coastal Conservancy to bring in additional diversity in the species palette and some interpretive components. So we have an area here that was designed as an outdoor classroom for teachers to be able to bring kids and do workshops on water quality and native plants. You'll also see tracks along the way. These are tracks either of animals that lived here in the past or here now. And there's more interpretive elements coming in. We're going to have bird cages, things like that. But one of the things, the initial plant palette that the restoration did was the big trees, and then a Creek+Watershed Council came in with a palette of about 40 additional plants, herbaceous plants, grasses, and shrubs to diversify the habitat palette. So our goal today is the biggest thing with restoration projects is maintenance over time. So it's real exciting for people to put the plants in initially, but really the success requires people being committed to the site. So
pull that back a hair. Okay. And then maybe someone. Do you want to use this and just go right across? Yeah. Sure. Great. Yeah, you always look into that. And then if you want to grab staples, there should be three hammer hooks. Yeah. This is good. Yeah, we did knock them down. So yeah, just go down the edge and then just lightly. Yeah, and then maybe every something like this. Yeah, we have a lot. Maybe 2 feet. And then if someone else wants to start on this other edge and the bottom edge.
basically with a similar, either in this watershed or adjacent with similar things, with similar environmental conditions. And then we collect the seed and we bring it back to the nursery and we clean it off. And we actually have a database where we log every plant that we've ever grown, gets a number, and we get the weight and when it was collected and where it was collected, if it's species. How many plants we have is tens of thousands. Some of our trays hold 100 in one tray. So then if I have a row of those, then I can have, you know, several thousand just in one row.
There's 2 more hammers and lots of the staples.